Guys, with some incredible catalysts being announced, some shocking news for Dogecoin, you're not going to want to miss this video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't checked out my Patreon yet, it's in the top pinned comment. That's when I watch the charts throughout the day and see when there's a massive dip. That's when I put out my buy and sell trade alerts so that you guys can buy at that dip along with me if you'd like. And then as I watch the charts, I wait for a peak. When we've made 20 to 30% profits, I then let you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Be sure to ring that bell because you don't want to miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Also, if you love Dogecoin and you know that it's headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Do you think we're going to see red days this week or mostly green? I believe mostly green, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Guys, some massive news. Coinbase CEO says that NFTs will soon be worthless, 90% of them, and that people will simply move on over to cryptocurrency. However, I do disagree. I think that NFTs are just starting. I think that all of these sports teams and others are creating their own NFTs, so they're not going anywhere. Because of some co-regulations, Coinbase wasn't even ready to list Dogecoin on their platform, but Elon Musk pushed it. Working with the developers, he made it so eco-friendly and attractive to Coinbase that Coinbase wanted to list it. Coinbase promoted it more than any other listing that they've ever put on their platform. So Dogecoin is far from being dismissed at this point and still in its infancy stages with a lot more growth ahead. And it's awesome that the CEO of Coinbase can get behind that and knows the potential of Dogecoin. The GOP is actually now accepting donations in cryptocurrency. Guys, this is huge. They're going to convert Ether and other donations of crypto into the US dollar. This only furthers the mass adoption and allows people to see the legitimacy of cryptocurrency. But guys, even more countries are jumping on the bandwagon to accept cryptocurrencies as their #1 legal tender, with huge institutions buying in every single day as well because they see the legitimacy, they see the mass adoption, and they see the demand more than anything. This brand new update coming to Ethereum's blockchain network is going to be huge. It's going to make Ethereum deflationary, only causing more mass adoption, causing the price of Ethereum to go sky high. The outstanding tokens are going to be amazingly reduced, and the reason is because it's no longer going to have an unlimited market cap. They're going to cap it off, and that's going to make it go up much higher. Historically, when you look at Ethereum, you see that it outperforms Bitcoin in every single way. With so much more potential than Bitcoin, that's where people will start to go to in droves. Yes, mass adoption will start to go from Bitcoin over to Ethereum, and Ethereum will very well be the #1 cryptocurrency along with Dogecoin very soon. Because of the high gas fees for the blockchain network of Ethereum, it is something that still needs to be worked on. All these institutions and companies want to get into Ethereum because they know that it's so incredibly powerful and at an incredibly discounted price right now. I wouldn't be surprised if these updates cause Ethereum to go to $20,000 to $30,000 just this year. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. In the last 7 days, we see Ethereum down 5%. However, Bitcoin is up 7%. For the time being, Dogecoin is currently at the #6 cryptocurrency, but it will be #1 very soon. It will climb its way up very slowly as more fundamental catalysts come out. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on all the Dogecoin events coming up, and we have a lot of them. So this is the perfect time to get in at these infancy stages. Guys, we're getting a huge setup for a potential breakout because we're trading sideways currently, consolidating, and 80% of the time we have a breakout right after that to the upside. With this market the way it is right now, all it takes is one tweet from Elon to set up Dogecoin to the moon and to send other cryptocurrencies to the moon as well. So you want to be in before this tweet, before this incredible news comes out, these new catalysts, you want to be ready. A lot of crypto analysts are expecting September to be a huge green month. I expect it to be July, however. because of the fundamental catalysts coming up just within the next 60 days. Just overnight, Dogecoin can hit the 40s and 50s, Bitcoin over 40,000. You're gonna wake up and you don't wanna have FOMO. You wanna get in before it goes up, before everybody starts saying, get in, because then it might be too late. You wanna wait for my trade alert when I see that massive dip, that rare time to buy in, and be ready with some cash on the side. For 50 days straight, we had it just at 5%. Yeah, Dogecoin at 5%. Then it blasted off on up to 40 cents. Guys, you don't want to wish you got in while the price is going up. That's the opposite of what you should be doing. Whales are currently doing everything they can to get Bitcoin above $40,000 now. They know that'll cause the rest of the cryptocurrency market to go up. There's a lot of volatility currently because the options contracts are expiring today. Historically, when the options contracts expire, expect the following day, yes, tomorrow, to be a huge green day for crypto. Guys, stay tuned very closely. I'm going to be putting update videos out because just this weekend, like I said, I think we very well may see Bitcoin go above 40,000 and see Dogecoin rise above 40 to 50 cents. The developers are currently working on the reduction of transaction fees for Dogecoin, and he's come out to say that Dogecoin should always be very inexpensive to send around. With the update coming out, the transaction fees will be significantly reduced, causing more mass adoption, possibly even by up to 66% is what I've heard. If Dogecoin becomes one of the least expensive cryptocurrencies to move around to other wallets and to purchase things with, guys, expect for it to become the #1 currency of the United States and then the earth, to be used literally everywhere. And that's when Dogecoin could easily hit $5 to $10 in no time. Elon Musk actually liked this tweet from the Dogecoin developers, which means he is confirming that there will in fact be much lower gas fees, much lower transaction fees, and the update will make it a lot more eco-friendly. Guys, when we do get that massive rise, be sure to take some of your profits and move it out, because you always want to have some cash on the side to buy that dip when it does go down again. There's going to be a lot of volatility coming up to these massive events and these massive updates. Guys, we currently have a pattern for Dogecoin proving that it will in fact break out again to the upside. And as I've said previously, when Bitcoin breaks out to the upside, so does the rest of cryptocurrency. Guys, when we currently look at our Dogecoin chart, we see that we currently have a head and shoulders right here. The head being here and both shoulders. Guys, this is proof that we will have another massive dip, and you're gonna wanna wait for my trade alert on Patreon so that you can buy at that rare time so that you are not in the red for very long and that you see massive profits in a very short period of time. So guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap, invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that rare time, that rare dip, so that you can buy in along with me if you'd like. And then when there's a peak, when we've made at least 20 to 30% profits, I let you guys know so that you guys can sell along with me or hold with diamond hands. We currently have a double bottom right here, showing that the bulls are very strong, that we're headed to the upside just after the dip, so you're going to want to get in. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.